here we go. Here we got some transmission cooler lines. Generic dipstick, measured off in centimeters there. And a chart for us, we are chart B, 62 TE transmission here, so we need to make sure we got the right fluid level. It doesn't come with a dipstick, so let me show you the problem. This whole transmission is all crusty and leaking transmission fluid. You can see it maybe all the way back on the frame. Yep. Alright, it's coming from these cooler lines right here. Specifically, looks like that spot right there. Because that's all dry back there. And right there, it definitely looks like it's leaking from there. And or the whole hose assembly goes back down there and then comes out. And it goes in right there, those two little tubes there. Behind there, it turns into rubber hoses. So that's what we need to replace. That's what's leaking. That's what's leaking. So let's get to replacing it here. First thing I want to do is check the existing fluid level. And it looks like there's no dipstick. Look right there. Yep. Yeah. That's the dipstick right there. It's got a cover on it, so that's why I got the generic one. That's why I got that one, and it comes with the chart because it's a generic one or whatever. So let's get her started and check the level. It's at 3.5. Let's check it again. It is 30 millimeters of fluid. The chart says, let's see, 110 degrees and 30. We are, it says we're at the maximum target. Yes, we're a little bit over, so I guess you got the correct amount of transmission fluid in there already. So let's get to replacing those hoses there. Yeah, you can see that there's a clip blocking the line into place, so we'll just have to take a pick and pop that out. We don't need to use a line tool, so I kind of need to get the air compressor rolling and get that all blown out possibly. Yeah, a little movement. Let's try taking the other side off here. What you got now? Oh, that's better. better, but no. The plastic circlips have been removed. You can see. And get at those clips back there. Pull those out and put them in. A little sneaky, but then I won't have to take off the whole front clip. There we go. Uh-oh. Got one clip out, still got one clip to go here. Look at that wet skill. Alright. It's gonna get messy, so I might as well try to plug some towels out of the cooler here. Alright, so there are probably O-rings in there. So we're gonna pull her all out real quick. Grab the ends, pull that out too, hopefully. Yeah, we got that one pulled out. There, that's the juicy one. Get that out. Grab this. Ding, ding, ding. Wow, she's leaking quick. I knew it. Yeah, trying to get too much all over the exhaust and stuff. Jeez. Look what happened. Yeah, they look fine. Alright. Okay, now that we've installed it the correct direction, it seems to want to work correctly. We got those lines in, we got those lines in up there. Alright, I'm gonna put the clips on. Fun part, hopefully they don't drop any. Let's give it a whirl. What could possibly go wrong? There's one. Alright, let's try 2 for 2. There we go. There we go. Clips on and lock it in. Alright, they're all locked in. And I'll sleeve that zip tie off. There we go. All done. I'm just gonna put all the pieces back together now. I'm just gonna put the front clip pieces back on here. Bam. Alright, anything else? Put a zip tie around that? Yeah, maybe. Now we gotta check the fluid level. No leaks yet. So it's 105 chart. Alright. 25. We're at 25. Hang on maximum target at. Guess we're gonna have to wait a little bit. Yep. It's at 25. Let's check the temperature of the well again. Well, it says
at the maximum, so I'm gonna have to believe it. Not gonna put too much in, but I don't think it lost that much. We'll see. We'll give it some time here. Very cool.